Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up recurring transactions in QuickBooks. Recurring transactions save time by automating regular entries like rent, subscriptions, or monthly invoices. Let's get into it. The first step is to locate recurring transactions tool. On QuickBooks dashboard, go to Settings, Recurring Transactions, and then click New. Next is to choose transaction type. Now you're going to select the type, could be invoice, sales receipt, expenses, journal entries, etc. Once you have the type selected, click OK. Next is to customize templates. You're going to be able to customize the template name, where you're going to enter a name for the recurring entry. You also have the type, whether it's scheduled, reminder, or unscheduled. You also have to fill in the customers or vendor details, amounts, and accounts. And once that's done, the next step is to set schedule. You're going to specify the interval for the recurring expense. It could be daily, weekly, or monthly, or it could be annually. Once that's done, you're also going to choose the start dates and end dates. These are optional, but if you're going to create one, then you should have the start date at the very least. And once you're done with that, the final step is to save template. So just click Save Templates, and QuickBooks will now generate the transaction automatically based on your settings. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you find the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.